are destined for a beginning, a middle, and an end. Your journey along the way is what will define you. Fight for your dreams, take nothing for granted, and welcome to our great university.
Every college visit you go to, people say that they have school spirit. Very few schools, I think, can actually back that up, and UConn was one of them.
There is power here. There is home here.
UConn's one of the biggest decisions I've ever made in my life, and that was the best decision.
Having so many majors at UConn, you really get a big diversity in the type of people that come here.
We take pride in being inclusive. This is really an umbrella of different cultures coming together and finding this one big community that they could all find comfort in and finding a place where they belong.
It is not an accident that you are here. You are meant to be Huskies, and you can and will fulfill the bold expectations that we have for you. Welcome to UConn.